There is a story that is a part of all of us, unchanged for centuries, yet ever evolving, keeping its own secrets, but welcoming discovery. It's a story that connects us, opening us to its wonders, and calling us to see the world differently, where the diversity of all of nature's gifts are kept in perfect balance, and the communities on her doorstep are empowered as partners to sustain and share in her growth. The whole supporting each part sustaining the whole. For more than 25 years, this is the story we've come to share. Not as owners, but as guardians, protectors of this pristine wild space, unchanged for centuries. Here in Africa, the place of miracles, where this great story began, and where it must continue for those who follow. Join us as we expand our 100-year purpose, protecting and preserving vast areas of African wilderness for future generations. Experience nature's greatest story.